Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is Find and Replace option. As the name suggests, it is used to replace a word with another in the whole data. Let us take an example. We shall replace Peter Ramsey with Peter Bond. We have to select Replace option from Find and select in the Editing category of the Home tab. Its short key is Ctrl+H. On selecting the option, a Find and Replace window will open up. In the Find What box of the Replace tab, we shall type what word should be searched out. In the Replace with box, we shall type the new word that should come in place of the old word. Here we shall give Peter Ramsey in the first box and Peter Bond in the second one. Since we want the replacement everywhere in the sheet, we shall select the Match Entire Cell Contents checkbox and give Sheet in the Within box. On clicking on the Find All option, we can see all the cells where the given word is present. On using Ctrl+A, we can select all the cells at the same time. We can see that on clicking on Replace All, we'll change Peter Ramsey to Peter Bond everywhere in the sheet. Even formatting options can be replaced in this way. For example, Game is formatted in bold. Let us make it to normal font. For this, there is a clever option in Find and Replace. In the Find and Replace window, in the Find What box, instead of typing, we shall click on the Format button, which will open a drop-down. Here, we shall select Choose Format from Cell option and click on the Game cell. If we want, we can check it in the preview. Next, we shall click on the Format drop-down of the Replace With box and select Choose Format from Cell option and click on a cell with a normal font. On clicking on Replace All, we can see that the bold font of Game has changed to normal font. We can replace color in the same format. Here certain cells are blue in color. We can change these with a different color. We shall click on the Format drop-down of the Find What box. Choose Format from Cell option and click on a cell with blue color. In the Format drop-down of the Replace With box, we shall select Format option, which will open a Replace Format window. In the window, we shall select the Fill tab and choose our desired color and click OK. On clicking on Replace All, we can see that all the blue color is changed to the new color. So in short, Find and Replace can not only replace words but formatting options also. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in the next video with a new topic.